Hi folks, just a quick update. I just did a video when the roads around my area, around town actually, have been treated with salt and sand and all that stuff. But the snow is coming down so heavy that the roads are now being covered by snow. So the salt ain't doing that much of a big job right now. As you can see, the roads are now getting covered by the snow. As you can see, that was still windy and the snow still coming down. So just an indication of how heavy the snow is, and see all the blowing snow everywhere. That's just the beginning of everything. So yeah, the roads are beginning to cover up also, even the ones that are treated. So this is an indication of what's to come. Probably later on or by tomorrow morning, all these roads will have at least a foot of snow on them. So this is the latest. You can see the roads are now getting covered by snow as the heavy snow continues to fall here in the Boston area.